The item price lookup is a convenient way to find the price of an item and to check on the stock status. To get to the item price lookup, you will select Processes and Item Price Lookup. In the box labeled Item, you can find the item by clicking on the lookup, or you could type in the abbreviation or part of the name of the item and select it from there. If your price varies depending on the quantity ordered or purchased, you can change the quantity in the quantity box. Otherwise, you can leave it at 1. If you are looking for a price based off of a different unit of measure, or if you're looking for stock status off of a different unit of measure, you can select the unit of measure from the lookup if it is available. This one only has 1 unit of measure. If you're looking for your item pricing by inventory location, you can select the specific inventory location in the inventory location box. The price will be displayed for the number of price levels that you have selected in your preferences when you set up your price levels. At the bottom, it will display the stock status for that item by inventory location and by the unit of measure that you selected at the top of the screen. I'm going to click OK. Since it is a convenient method of looking up the item prices and stock status, you may want to add this to your quick list. To do that, you'll want to right-click on the section that you want to add it to, go to Manage Items, open up Processes, select Item Price Lookup, click Add, and then when you click Close out of there, you'll be able to see that on your quick list.